Hi everyone, welcome to Robinson's World. I'm Robinson and I'm super excited to announce you a brand new tutorial series that's all about helping absolute beginners learn Python programming. Python is one of the easiest programming languages to learn and it's perfect for beginners. Whether you are interested in web development, data science, or just want to automate simple tasks, Python is a fantastic first step. And trust me, with a little practice, anyone can learn it. So, what can you expect from this series? Each episode will cover simple hand-on exercises designed specifically for beginners. We'll start with basic concepts like creating a tip calculator, making a grocery list manager, etc. In each video, I will guide you step by step, explaining everything in a way that easy to understand even if you have never coded before. This series is perfect for absolute beginners, whether you are a student, a professional looking to learn something new, or even just someone curious about coding. You don't need any previous experience, and by the end of these tutorials, you will have created several mini projects you can be proud of. You will learn foundational programming skills like working with variables, loops, functions, and user inputs, all in the context of fun and useful projects. Each tutorial will focus on real-world applications so that by the end you will have skills you can actually use. So, if you are ready to start your coding journey, make sure to subscribe to Robinson's World and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any videos. Together, we'll go from absolute beginner to confident Python coder. I can't wait to get started. Thanks for watching and welcome to Robinson's World. See you in the first tutorial.